Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so most of us, as Jamaicans, we were cultured, nurtured, and socialized to be criminal sympathizers and criminal enablers and benefactors of criminality. Yes, that's how we were raised and cultured by our own people. And so we have a guy by the name of Uglisome. Yes, and that he's a big propagandist and YouTube and always defending criminals. But what most criminals do not know that he was one of the biggest informer in England. And you're gonna hear we talk with a man who's from England. Yes, and he's gonna tell you something about Uglisome. So most of you won't believe who's England's giant rat, snitch, con, informer, who will send many men to English workhouse. Yeah, Uglisome. Yeah, man, that's what he did when he was over there. You understand? So this captivating video revealed the shocking truth about Uglisome, predominantly known for his criminal image. So when he was in England, he pretended as if he was a big time criminal. You understand? But whilst he was doing that, he was working under the umbrella of the British police, because you understand, how it is in time you're caught committing crimes and out for you to get away, you have to give away some other people. So it was a big time rat when he was there. And you're gonna hear this man tell us some some intimate things about Uglisome. You understand? So prepare to take aback as we delve into the sorry detail of his past and unravel the truth, hidden secrets behind his facade. So I put on like saying some I don't know how somebody who as a law enforcement officer could be friend with somebody who glorify criminality and support criminals. I just don't get that part, because as for me, I could not be friends. Could be friends with someone who support criminals publicly or even privately. So Uglisome often celebrate for his alleged criminal activities, hide behind the murky cloak of deception. Little did his followers know that he was a rat, a grass, a snitch, and an informant for law enforcement in Britain, while operating a studio in London, England. His true colours, concealed under the guise of criminality, reveal a different side altogether. In an unprecedented twist, Uglisome was forced into exile, seeking refuge in Canada to escape the consequences of his actions. Here, he attempts to rebuild his reputation, falsely glorifies his criminal background as honourable. However, the truth will always find its way to surface. Embark on this eye-opening journey, we pull back the curtain on Uglisome treacherous existence. Through extensive research and insider information, we expose his Neanderthal scaled savagery and the chronic state of Dunning-Kruger disorder in syndrome magnitude that engulfs him unaware. Prepare to have your notions shattered and discover the man behind the criminal image. Join us as we unmask Uglisome, laying bare the intricate web of deceit he weaves. Take advantage of this astounding revelation. Yes, it's time to uncover the truth behind the criminal image of Uglisome. If you haven't subscribed to the Jamaica Young Police channel, it's time for you to subscribe. Yes, subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Hit the notification bell and select all to stay updated on the latest releases from the Jamaica Young Police channel. Yes, remember to hit the thumbs up button. Thumbs up button. There's no like button there. It says thumbs up or thumbs down. So as we said to you before, that there's no thumbs up or there's no like button. It's a thumbs up button. You understand? Yes, thumbs up. You understand? So the like button, that is just wrong information. It's a thumbs up button. So thumbs down means yeah, that means you do not like the video. And that means you're a criminal supporter, you understand? And so over here we do not like the criminal supporters, yeah. We don't subscribe to people who support criminals. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we are all about law enforcement. You understand? And we do not we hate criminals with a passion. Yes. And we don't hide that. Yeah, you understand? So as we tell you already about the this grass, you understand, Uglisome. So we want you, so unfortunately, the man portrayed himself as a big-time criminal supporter, but quietly he was informing on his friends in the criminal underworld in Britain. He had to flee England to Canada to save his life, and now he's trying to revamp his background as a big-time criminal, as if it's an honorable thing. I don't know, Jamaicans are the only people in the world, who see, who advertise themselves, market themselves as criminals. Yes, but guess what? It's when they market themselves as criminals. They do not want people to call them out publicly to say that they are criminals. They want you to portray them as if they are decent citizens. You cannot have it both ways. So we want you to listen to this man. Yeah, this is a man who have law enforcement background in England. And you're going to hear another video. And look, the people in Patreon, they say, look here, we want you to share it publicly. Don't only share it with us on Patreon. Let everybody hear it, but you can give us at Patreon so that we can get it before them. But we want it to be, everyone to hear it, because we're not going to protect anyone who put on a persona as if they are this kind of person when they are not. So you watch, you listen, you decide. I want this man have law enforcement background. Because you're going to hear another video with this man telling us about some people in England. Lucky British and all these guys, and getting shot and things like that, and he's going to tell you some things about Lucky, and he's telling you the tactics that the Jamaicans use to beat the British police them in England. Yes, all the Jamaicans, they control law enforcement in England. Can you believe it? You watch, you listen, you decide.
As you see, that part of London, if you're a yardie and you have nothing to do, I just say you end up, you kind of hang around them guys there.
So when you used to do for England, because I'm on, a few people and them thing that they contact me since people were they not even know me and them thing, and they must say, oh, this is drug dealer, this is a coke dealer, I come disrespect you and them thing, and you're good police. You understand? And they must say, boy, I'm on even up on the record and them thing, and I say, boy, you can release it, make him pay my price. Because him was a coke dealer at England. And in case we come back up on your car, maybe him come them lock him up, because some of them friends them gone to prison for selling coke. You understand?
Yes. Yeah. Back in them days when him around, there was a lot of that going on. And it was like most of the artists them from, especially like Copper and Pen, and then you find them, then we used to be in Brixton.
Yeah.
And whenever they come over, they don't want to leave until they get deported. So that kind of thing. It was kind of easy, but still hard, because there's a lot of black people, and it's hard for the law to actually separate the good from the bad.
Oh, because everybody mixed up together.
Everybody mixed up together, because it was like a business place. It's like a thriving, and it still is. Right now, it's one of the capital in England where you don't sleep.
Oh, Brixton.
Yeah, you drive up there right now, or any time of night, it seems like the daytime. You never sleep. Yeah, I saw what English man I try to do is get rid of the black people and move them out of outskirts of London. But it's still no work, because they still link up there, because that's Jamaica headquarters. You can't get rid of Jamaica headquarters in no time. Because people still go there still, because they have that brand, Brixton, the black money area.
Yeah.
So even though you have a rich now, because to buy a house in Brixton is about £1 million.
And Jamaicans have house here, don't they?
Yeah, some Jamaican about. Yeah, some Jamaican about under like because of the crime.
Yeah.
But then I think if the government wait that when the crime rise, house price drop. So
That's all I 90s.
yeah, 90s. So who house just wanna get rid of it. You get me? You know, you know, my age, we never.
Yeah, don't call me name or anything.
No, we're not calling you. And then, you know what I mean? But
Yeah.
we actually, you know what I mean, left it. But it was a good place because we probably didn't have lots of business over there as well. When I come over, I used to be, my family they have a lot of,
no go in detail and everything. So you say Uglisome now. You used to have a little studio.
the Uglisome is over like a studio. Well, they call it studio because it's a place where they really want to congregate with them fucker.
So what them used to do? What them used to do there? Sell drugs and everything there?
Yeah, everything. Wherever they eating, wherever we're against the law, whatever them do against the law.
So police raid clean place regularly.
They do, you know, because they get information. Like youth are born in this country, there are police as well, and they, if you know what I mean, doing them as well, so they actually know what's going on and who we do. Well, they still can congregate.
Well, that focus over there police and everything, you know. One police from the motorway. I come from police family, you know. One is a detective. You understand? With make sure. You understand? Okay. So in never go jail over there.
They are probably, you know, we never really follow them up really still.
Because you not feel them roll and everything, because they're a job there.
But we, you know, we used to, you know, our gangster. Well, we're security. Born here, but his parents is from over Jamaica 6. Jamaica. So in come over, then he learned the way the Jamaican move and over here and set up a big security firm. Everybody scared that because when you go party, if you catch you with a gun him up, you probably use it on you. That's kind of guy it was. You can't this is security, that's your dead. Don't be hard one.
What in there?
In Vincent. Rat. You see in a passing your rat.
Yeah, over England.
Yeah, man.
So intern from criminal out to law-abiding citizen.
Well, in a do both, you know.
Into the line.
So he's like Billy the Kid.
Yeah.
Take your gun, shoot you with it, and hand him. So if you do that, it's like a citizen's arrest. Yeah. Defending himself, shot him with it, bring him in with it while they shot him, and then process it, then they say, alright, thank you. Then you get a chance to actually do it. You actually get a chance. So anybody who would listen to Jamaica, you get it. Yeah. You're getting it. In a brother, you will do it daylight, right in the middle there.
If you can't be illegal gun and shot you and say your gun.
No, you will take it from you. For them in your hand and you to carry it with them come by club.
Oh, a pin club?
Pat them down. And no, he's a security guard. So you used to pat you down with it and tell them, you know you can't come in there with it. You go like bad man and you rustle your feet.
And then shot you?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That good, man.
So,
alright, I don't want to talk, but because you don't want people, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but apart from that, you know what I mean, he is what he is in England, but England police them, they don't really rush to court if they catch you, they just catch you when they're ready. Yeah, them observe you and everything there. They observe you first, then we take weeks, so we let them in that rubbish bin and catch you.
Months and years, just like this, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
That's why Americans use them a lot to do investigating.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Surveillance.
Yeah. But apart from that, you know, it kind of quiet down. You still get the youth that were in everything.
Yeah, and if he said cool.
Yes. You get the youth that were in everything. But that youth, man, may not listen to him. I couldn't believe that that's in turn out to be and start to all and sing like I never come here for that. Come here for work and you get me? Yeah, but he get the chance because England won Canada. South Africa won Canada.
Yeah, man. I see. Remember, say Queen and LS to Canada.
I think he get the chance to actually start off something himself and move out and let.
So why am I going to England?
Because I think the drug selling and all kind of thing, the crime thing.
Oh.
Mixing up with the other people, you know, you go once you mix up yourself and it's like everybody know you and then start find finger. Once they find finger, you go be a running.
Oh, so I make him run and then so that's why I come back over it.
Yeah, because really and truly, tell you the truth, there's no country like this country. I mean, I say politics with gun. When they come out, you're dying.
Yeah.
When they come out, they shoot them, you'll get killed. They now beat up themselves with gun for him.
Yeah, I know.
When they come up, when they call them out, you get in it.
Yeah. The preemptive strike.
Yes. So I think when I cook best country for live and I suppose the money not that fast, but when you have it, you're happy.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. You can do things with it. Yeah.
Oh, so you said so Uglisome have to cut out because that's why the drug dealing them. And that's why I tell people because it's based on the people that when we see him take where him put out the them character, I know so them not a good character. It's like the same policeman when, you know, both of us train together and him because he's defending him political party, the PMP LGBTQ plus party because I am I am from Waterford. I used to live in Waterford, you understand? And I know all the culture, all the PMP have heard. I come from the belly of the beast. So I educate Dr. Daz and I say, you're naive on anything. You think Mark Bowling come denounce what the people them do, them burn down the PMP constituents office and deface the vehicle. You can't do that because that's a part of DNA and the PMP party is a terrorist organization. Because that's all them doing, them empower people to be law abiding citizens. You understand?
Yeah.
So it now
like the crime.
Yeah. And that's how them operate, man. If you look at all of the empty buildings them in Kingston, them do it, you know, the people them with them send their Cuba go learn terrorism, you know.
Yes. I was in the Indian time of my school.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, I mean.
I'm going to say that Jamaican police in Australia if you have said that problem, you should keep trust me. I don't want to be able so I don't know people I don't know and obviously you'll see I was very I walk from it and hook somewhere. I don't have to do so yeah, like this private. That was I see. Yeah, yeah. So now people are more yeah. So
What majority so respond that they're like a community and that is why they are a community. Because while it's a group, it's a right. We don't we can't talk about that. Next week of the month. Oh, yeah, I think people that they want that I can't keep on with it from Tanzania, and we go there. Yeah, man, that's why that would be like this. I think they have to understand. What's all the and how that they like to yeah, sometimes that is why you bring the other that is like
Yes, so we have come, to the end of this video. It's not, what we'd like it to be, but unfortunately, this eye-opening video unveiled the shocking truth about a criminal network in England. That former law enforcement specialist has exposed. If you notice, this man didn't even try to inject his British accent. He just talk as a Jamaican. Unfortunately, the video quality, the audio quality may not be optimal due to audio deterioration. But we assure you that we have done our best to reconstruct the information. Yes, because this brave individual has fearlessly revealed the names of numerous men whom Wayne Uglisome has sent to prison, shedding the light on the extent of corruption within the British government. With his intimate knowledge of this elusive web of informers, rats, cons and snitches who falsely portray themselves as hardcore criminals, it becomes evident that no decent, ethical, morally inclined, honest or law-abiding citizen would ever market themselves as supporters of such individuals. Yeah, mean to say, yeah, if you're a decent law, but you would never market yourself say you're a criminal. Yeah, so so Wayne Uglisome, that is what he has done. Always defending criminal, call him poor ghetto youth. That is the way, you understand, so people be sympathetic. So you have to understand, as Jamaicans, yes, there's a market for everything. Yes, man. As Jamaica, you have to understand that there's a market for everything. At the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we strongly argue that Jamaican society, through socialization, cultured, nurtured and grooming, has seemingly bred a criminal mindset that disrespect the rights of others, their properties and even their lives. And when we say that without any apologies. You understand? So we were talking earlier with a woman who had called and left a message, a woman who's trying to be British but she's Jamaican. So she's mixing the patois and the British together, and we think that she's bipolar. But you're going to hear her, and she's claimed that she's a millionaire too. You understand? So we'll just show you how Jamaican people stay. And so, so join us as we expose this intricate criminal web in England, providing an insightful understanding of the dark underbelly that threaten our society. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the issue, offering analysts, evidence, and thought-provoking discussion. Together, let's strive for a world where justice prevails and all citizens are valued and respected. Yes, if you reach this far, if you haven't subscribed to the Jamaica Young Police Channel, subscribe for more eye-opening content and stay updated with our latest investigation, uncovering the truth that need to be heard. Together, we can build a safer and more just society. And four members of the Patreon squad, yes, they sent us a message that said, boy, I'm a supporter. We want you to make the people them on the channel and YouTube to hear it. Not only us, we want you to let them hear it. So, you see, we're showing you that everything is, it's Team Jamaica. So, these people who are on Patreon, they don't want the information just for themselves. You understand? They want it to share with you people. All of you viewers and subscribers. Because, you understand what I'm saying? So courtesy of the people at the Patreon squad, yes, you are going to be able to hear it. We're going to try to see if we try to reconstruct this video by talking again with this former law enforcement officer. And you're going to hear, so right after this video, the people on YouTube you're going to hear about this man telling you about some Jamaicans in England, like Lucky British and all those people. You're going to hear some thought-provoking thing. Yes, you understand? And trust me, you're going to enjoy it. So, thanks for tuning in. And remember, look, if you can't be good, be careful. And remember, all of us are equals as human beings, irrespective of your race, color, creed. It doesn't matter where you're from. What makes us equal as human beings is life. There's no one on this earth that has two lives. Only Jesus Christ, the Son of God. None of us have ever met Jesus Christ, but those of who believe that he's the Son of God will believe. Those who don't, we can't fight someone to believe. Believe, kill, and believe, cure. But we know that in life, if you believe that there's a higher being than us, then you know that there's a creator. If you don't, something is wrong with you, because whatever you're listening right now and hearing my voice, that was not something that was given to you. It was built by another human being. We don't believe human beings can build human beings. So this has to be something that's a power that is greater than us. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.